Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 3.3% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.4% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The euro gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
An initial public offering by Rakuten Bank is set to fetch the company and its parent as much as $881 million, putting it on track to be Japan's biggest listing in more than 4 years. The Federal Reserve raised interest rates by 0.25 percentage point, but indicated it was on the verge of pausing further increases in borrowing costs after the recent collapse of 2 US banks. Bitcoin sank below $27,000 as the US Federal Open Market Committee did as was widely expected, raising interest rates again, this time by 0.25 point. The decision reinforces the Federal Reserve's concerns that inflation remains problematic.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT, the Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1500 hours GMT. Japan's National Consumer Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary at 1200 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.